We're going to copy this data from a PDF. Right-click Copy, and then we're going to temporarily open a blank Word, right-click Paste. This is just so we can get it into nice rows. As you can see, it copied over and it's not in rows. So click before each colour or each text that you want in the next row. Press Enter. Enter gives code to the computer that we need a new line. So that code's going to copy over. So right-click Copy. And then we're going to open our Excel file. Mine's a blank document. And then we're going to paste in A1. Notice how it's come over in rows, how we wanted. Thank you for watching.